Okay, so I went ahead and straightened the hair. Ooh, this hair texture is so beautiful, y'all. Like, just thebomb.com. Like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. And I did go in and flatten my top out because we like sleek, okay? The top has to be sleek, okay? The hair doesn't have to be sleek, but the top, it has to get sleek. All right, so I'm very intimidated by this wig, y'all. Y'all have, like, no idea. I'm just like, how am I gonna perfect this? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay this wig on down. All right, wish me luck, y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Y'all, do y'all see me? Is this my hair? Is this my hair? Okay, because we got some 4C kinky edges. Yes, I said edges. I got edges again, y'all. Yay. All right, y'all, today's video is sponsored by LuvMe Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their website. All right, y'all, so let's get into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. All right, or is this my hair? Because, you know what I'm saying? I say it's a wig for business purposes only. But if the wig is coming out of my scalp, ain't it my hair? Period. Okay. So I say it's a wig for business purposes only. That's it. That's all. All right, so the wig that I am wearing today is the 4C Egdges Undetectable Kinky Straight Edges 5x5 Lace Closure Wig. And I have it in 20 inches. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I was terrified of this wig. Okay. I was terrified, and I'm still terrified because I don't even think that I look all that good. You know? But it just is what it is. But yes, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig, and then we're gonna wrap this video on up because I gotta take my thumbnail pictures because, you know, I look good. You know, I look good. I'm on the fence like, do I look good or don't I look good? Y'all drop a comment down below and let me know. All right, so let's jump right into the cons. So the only con that I would have to say about this wig is that the 4C edges, they do come really thick and really long, okay? And I know I haven't been blessed with edges in a while, but I know they're not that thick and they're not that long to the point where it looks unrealistic. So you're gonna have to go in and thin it out with your tweezers, or you can just pluck it out with your finger. It's really not that big a deal, but I'm just saying we can go from having edges or just look like we got some breakage in front of our hair. So I feel like it's borderlining with that between edges and breakage. edges, and breakage. But if you play around with it and fix them to your liking, you will like this wig because it is giving natural hairline. It's giving natural, okay? It's giving scalp, okay? All right. That is the only con that I would have to say about this wig. So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the hair. Now, you know we love Kinky straight, okay? Kinky straight is my jam. I want to jam, a jam, jam. Yes, it is my ultimate jam. And I didn't want a real sleek, pressed out look. So I did 1 or 2 passes on the hair just to tame it just a little bit. You know, just a touch of love, a little bit. Yeah, I just wanted to be tamed just a little bit. I'm not a fan of the wild kinky straight look. I just feel like it's a whole lot of hair sitting on your head, and you can go from looking like you got a wig on to you looking like you got a head on. So I like to press mine out just a smidget, but I'm still here for the texture. I still have some waves and some kinks in the hair, but it's okay. I wasn't going for a bone straight look. I wanted to give natural, you know, that I went and got my hair blown out. Not by the Dominicans, because it would have been silky straight, but just a light blowout. Another pro I would have to say about this wig is the 5x5 closure. I love a closure wig because I feel like it's easier to install, and sometimes closure wigs can be throw on and go with no glue products, no melting products, none of that. It did come with a removable elastic band so that you can keep the wig sturdy to your head in case it is too big. This wig is a little bit too big for your girl, so I just readjusted the straps in the back, and it's snug, and I have on my wig grip so it don't move. My head size is a 22, just in case you need it for a reference. But another pro I would have to say about this wig is the lace. The lace laid down, honey. Do you hear me? It lays down. It lays down like, what lace? Like, it just looks so freaking good. Like, it melted to perfection. Yes, I'm thinking I want to put some curls in this. Should I put some curls in this? But y'all see the hair? It is just flowing and going. Yes, I just love this. I feel like when it comes to the wigs with the edges, it's really a personal preference. You do have to play around with them to get them to look how you want them to look. You get what I'm saying? Because everybody's edges ain't made equal. Trust me, I know. Because I'm like, where's mine? But I'm really feeling this wig. Drop a comment down below and let me know. Have you tried out the whole kinky edges wig trend yet? I know I'm late to the game, y'all. I know. Your girl was off the scene. So we is back to give the looks now. But yes, this is just a beautiful wig. Like, get into it. Yes, because we's about to do it. Ole do it. And you could go in. I could go in and put some pressed powder in between to break up the hairline. But I didn't want my lace to look super ashy because you do have to leave quite a bit of lace on the wig so that you can get the whole edges look. Because if you cut too close to the hairline, it's like, you cut all the edges off. So, you know, I tried to leave as much edges as possible, but I did just go in and trim them down a little bit. But honestly, y'all, I have no complaints about this wig. Just that minor complaint about, oh, and it does have flyaways. It does have flyaways, but I tamed it with my wax stick and my my hairspray, okay? And we ain't got flyaways no more. But yes, the wig did come a little bit over bleached. So I just went in and used some mascara to like cover that up. A very easy fix. But yes, y'all, drop a comment down below and let me know if you're feeling this look. Just let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video because there's not a whole lot for me to say. Once again, a big thank you to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions who just want to say what's up. Drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.